All right, welcome to my channel and to this video. If you are a fan of jalapeno poppers that are bacon wrapped, this is a next level recipe, out of this world. A great appetizer or a side. Check this out. You can almost smell them from the video, right? We're going to be preparing these babies today on a charcoal grill, little Weber charcoal grill. And that's the first step. Obviously, we're going to want to get that up to temperature. And by the way, I will put specific numbers and ingredients in amounts in the description below, so check that out. But the ingredient list is pretty simple. We've got bacon, basically one strip for each half jalapeno. So get yourself, I don't know, maybe 5 jalapenos, and you'll half those as well. Just like you can see here. We also have cream cheese, some shredded cheese, and that's a Mexican blend, usually goes really well. And then some steak seasoning, cilantro, and a minced shallot is what you saw there. So the first thing that we will do after while the grill is being heated up, we will pit those or get those seeds out of the jalapenos, leave some seeds in, and then we'll go ahead and mince up the shallot, as you can see here. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of like that. And we are going to put that in with the cream cheese. You want a spreadable kind. We have about 4 ounces of spreadable cream cheese. And then we will also kind of mince up this shredded Mexican blend cheese as well. About a ½ cup or so is what we are using. But again, check that description below for specific measurements and amounts. And then we will shake in some steak seasoning like that. And then chop up some cilantro. That's what you're seeing there. And this is what you're doing next. Stirring it all together. Really simple. And then go ahead and take a spoon, and you'll be applying some of that mixture, that cream cheese mix, to the inside of the jalapeno, just like that. And next we'll take a slice of bacon. And like I said, you want about 1 strip for each jalapeno. And this is a bit of an art here. You're going to want to get it tight enough. You don't want it too tight, but you want to get it pretty tight so that when you go to flip them on the grill, the cream cheese doesn't kind of bubble out. Now, you'll take some casualty on the cheese once you put it on the grill, but the idea is to minimize that, right? And so you kind of want to wrap them a little tight like that. If the bacon kind of breaks, then go on to the next strip. You want it to be, one continuous piece. Otherwise, you're going to kick yourself later. It's going to unravel on you or break while it's on the grill, and that's not good. So you can see there the little scrap piece we tried to salvage, but it doesn't work. It has to be one continuous piece of bacon like that. So a higher quality bacon is always advisable. Don't skimp, and you can twist it or not. However, it doesn't really matter. Again, you want it to be kind of as tight as possible. Okay, so we'll get those all prepped like that. Now, by this time, the grill should be rolling here. Your coal should be nice and hot, and we're just shy of 400 degrees. You can bring it up to 400, 450 or whatever. The temperature honestly isn't too important, but what we're going to be doing is putting these on not above the direct coals. You can see I have my little container for the charcoal, so it doesn't actually fill the whole grill itself with charcoal. It's a charcoal saver. But I have those kind of compiled so toward the center of the grill, and then I'm organizing them like this so that not one of them is over the hottest part, because it will burn very easily, right? That's the downside of cooking by charcoal, I think. You can see here we're rolling. Lots of nice smoky flavor. Look at that. And you just kind of hang out and wait, right? And check the underside. If you tilt one up, you'll see you don't want it to be black, but you want it to be nice and dark brown, right? Get the grate kind of singed into the underside like that. And you might get a little dark on one here and there. That's fine. Just kind of adjust them. And that's why you want that bacon to be nice and tight. Otherwise, it's going to spill out, right? Now, look is just presentation, right? It's all going to taste amazing, I think. But this is kind of what we're doing, and after, whenever they kind of look done is when they're going to be done. They should look like this, and it serves really well as a side or as an appetizer. And we'll go ahead and stop the video there, and hopefully this video helps you out. Bon appetit. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.